everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Estefania and welcome. So today's video is going to be a super fun video. I wanted to do a colorful halo look because I feel like I haven't done halos in so long. I'm like, hello. You know, I've been doing a lot of cut creases, half cut creases and all of that, but I haven't been doing halo eyes. So I decided today to do a fun halo eye and kind of guide you through it. If you want a more in-depth video on how to do a halo eye, then just comment that down below and let me know if you want to see that. So today I'm going to give you some basic steps and here and there, but I'm not going to go full into details. I can make a video for you if you want that. Please let me know in the comments below and I can do that for you. But for today, we're gonna be doing, well, I'm wearing like blue. I got my blue rainbow earrings on. I don't know. And I have my blue hair on. So can you guess the colors I'm gonna be using? Yes, blue is gonna be one of the colors that I'm gonna be using. But I decided to do like a bluish, lime greenish, neon because I had this cute little glitter and it's like a greenish neon color. So I don't know, I just wanted to play around with some color and just create something for you guys, have some fun looks on my channel. So if you want to see how I create a fun halo eye, then please keep watching. Please don't forget to like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I already did my face because today the main focus is the eyes and I feel like the face takes a lot of time. I have two palettes here that I'm going to be working with. I'm going to be working with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, which looks like this, and she's a beauty. This color right here has been my favorite, and this is actually my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And also I'm going to be playing around with the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, which is also a pretty palette and it also has like a lime greenish color. So yeah, the blues on this palette we're gonna be playing with a lot. To begin, I did apply concealer on my eyes, so I'm just gonna make sure that I blend that out fully so I don't have any creases or anything like that. For the crease color, I'm gonna be doing the teal color right here, or aqua color. I think it's aqua color. So I'm gonna be packing that color right into the crease. What you're doing right now is just packing the color. You're not blending just yet. And you're gonna bring that down to the beginning of the eye. You're kind of making like an circular shape above the lid. So then with a fluffy brush, what I'm gonna do is start blending that a little bit just above in this area so that it doesn't look too harsh. But you still kind of want that roundness. Now that you have that well blended, you're gonna go in with the blue again and just pack that right into the crease a little more, just in case you lost any of that color. Just make sure, if you do have eye folds like me, which is so annoying, you want to go deep into the crease and make sure that you are packing that into the crease area well, because if you look down then you're gonna have a space right there. It's happened to me and it is so annoying and embarrassing. So you don't want that happening to you. After you have that well blended, this is how it should look for the first color. And I also wanted to say that on camera right here, you know, I fast forward things and make things look quicker, but blending is always time consuming. So what you see here on camera is not even half of the time that I take, you know, blending out. I wanted to take this navy blue color right here and just apply that into the crease, just because I wanted to give a little bit of more definition to that area. Be very precise and take your time doing this. You're gonna put that right into the crease. So that's basically what I wanted to do. I'm gonna go in with the light blue color again and just blend above that a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that blended, we're gonna go in with the concealer. This is the tricky part right here because everyone's eyes shape is completely different. I'm gonna actually apply some behind my hand so I could pick some up as I go as well, even though the brush already has some. So what you're gonna do is see my eyes. If I look straight at here, my eye fold is right here. So when I look down, you'll see my eye makeup, but if I look like this, you're not gonna see most of my eye makeup because my eye fold kind of hides it. You wanna go above that line, that eye fold. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to look down so that you can see it better. But this line right here that I have, you're gonna go above that just a little bit. Take a little bit of concealer first. Just do a line in the middle. And again, be very careful and take your time. See how I did that right above the eye fold? Because when I open my eye like this, I still have all this space here. It may hide a little bit as well. So it's like, so tricky. I even maybe have to go a little above that. So I'm gonna go just a little above that line that I just did, just a tiny bit. Then I'm going to start filling in the eye. And extend it on the sides a little bit. And then bring the concealer towards the side a little bit because you're gonna need some space for your colors, especially if you're doing different colors. Starting off, you can start off big and then, you know, as you go with the different colors, then you start, you know, bringing the colors in, and then you have that nice center. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly and you're understanding. Again, I'm gonna look straight at the mirror, and you see, in this eye, I only have one eye fold. In this eye, I have this eye fold and this eye fold. I don't get it. I ranted about this on my Instagram, that this eye is different than this eye. It's so annoying, and this is why I have so much trouble with cut creases and everything, because everyone has a different eye than the other one. But it's just like when you notice it, you're like, damn it, like, why me? Why? Of course, my camera would shut off on me while I'm doing this part, but yeah, we're just adding the blue part, the navy blue, into the sides of the halo. Now what we're gonna do is add the green color from the Prism palette, which is Sphere. I'm just going to pop that right into the center of the lid and bring that up to the rest of the concealer. Don't worry if it looks crazy, you're gonna be blending all of that in. You wanna make sure that you're blending the blue and the green together. As you apply the green, just blend that out. And with the navy blue again, just to add that to the sides to blend that with the green. We're almost finished here. Okay, so now we have the colors and it's kind of blended. I will be probably blending a little more because I'm just so picky with that. I wanted to add gold glitter on the top. The glitter that I'm using today is from Starlit Studio. It's the one I used for my festival look. Now that we have the halo eye, I wanted to go with the glitter, and what I'm gonna do here is something different. I'm actually going to put the glitter, oh my god, it's going everywhere. But I wanna put the glitter like close to the lash line. So I'm grabbing NYX glitter glue, and this is super inexpensive. If you're looking for a glitter glue that is really good, I think this one is amazing. I'm gonna apply that primer right in the center of this little thing. I call it the tornado because it looks to me like a tornado. Like, we have enough glitter on top of that with the halo. Why do you need more glitter? because we're just gonna add more glitter, girl. I'm gonna go in with both blues underneath the eyes. So I'm gonna, you know, make this quick and kind of speed things up because I know this video is gonna be like 5 hours long. So I'm gonna be taking a light blue, and this is by Molly, and it's called Ice Blue. And it's just a pencil eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that on the waterline. So for mascara today, I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Apply that on the top and bottom lashes. For the inner corner, I'm going to actually add the green color as well, which is Sphere. I like that. So I'm going to be using the Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be using the color Sunburst. And apply that on the brow bone. For lashes, I'm going to be using these by Kiss, and I love these little wispies. I've been using these a lot. I feel like they're so easy to apply, and these are they're by Kiss, but this is their Eye Envy line, and these are really good, and I know Kiss isn't expensive, so I'm pretty sure this is pretty affordable. So today I'm going to be using the Permanent Pout by Pot Beauty, and this is in the color Pale Baby. These lipsticks are so good. Love each and every one that I've used so far. So I'm just going to apply this on the lips first. And I want nude color because, you know, this is out there. And I'm going to go in with this Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. You know, I was going with a nude look, but I still wanted to have some kind of pop on the lips. Let's see if the lashes are ready to pop. I'm telling you, these lashes are everything. So easy to work with. So now that the lashes are in, this is the finished look. I'm super happy that I actually got to record a look like this for my channel. So I'm excited about this look, and I can't wait for you guys to tell me what you think about it. So if you like this look and videos like this, please let me know down below, because I will do more looks like this on my channel. I hope you guys like it. This is the finished look, and I hope I explained myself well so that you could understand it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you next time.